Hi, I'm Andrea Bomarito, and I'm with ZSK Machines.
Hi, I'm Rene from Germany, from ZSK in Germany.
All right, so today we are going to show you about the Sprint machine, how it comes packaged, and what we need to do to unpack, as well as put the machine together once we get it unpacked. First things first though, when the machine comes to you from the shipping company, you do need to make sure that you do inspect the packaging all the way around, and do this too while the shipping company is with you. You want to make sure that there's no damage. If there is damage, please notate it. Please take pictures and make sure the shipping company knows as well before they leave. This is very important just in case anything may have been damaged within the box.
Right, if everything on the box is all right, that means no damaging you have seen, then we can start to open the box. First of all, we have to get rid of these straps, right? And in this case, you can use a cutter or a scissors, but it's also possible to open by yourself. In case that you see this metal here, it is like a U-type, right? And you take the stripe, put it underneath of it and pull it to the direction where the U is showing to. Just like that. And then it can be opened. Andrea will show it now how to do. Right, perfect. Until this is done, we can open now the box. Andrea, would you please be so kind?
Of course.
Thank you.
Once you've opened the top of the box, what we have here is a nice covering of the machine. We're going to pull this back so we can see what's inside. We don't want to take this box off right away because we do have some components in here that are part of the machine that need to be taken out before we take out the box. And we want to make sure that these do not fall. So that's why we do want to take them out. And you can see here, this is typically how we do have these packaged. You can see that we do have some things just on the interior walls of the box, and the first thing that we're going to remove are these tables here. And Renee is going to help me lift these tables out of here. And again, we want to take these tables out so that they don't fall when we remove the box. So Renee?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We'll go ahead and just slide these out, and we will set them aside.
So that one is quite heavy.
So the next thing we're going to do is actually take out the stand. The stand is here opposite of the head, and we can see that we've got tape on it as well as a box right in front of it. Now please take this piece of paper that's right on top of the box. This is very important to keep. This is the layout and instructions on how to put together that stand. So this is really important. You want to make sure that you take care of that and you keep that with you so you can put together the stand itself. Next thing we're going to do is take some scissors. We're going to cut this tape off. And the stand is quite heavy as well, so Renee is going to help me take this out.
For sure.
I'll put down my scissors. Let's go ahead, we will pull this out.
I can take it.
And set it aside. So after we've taken everything on the interior of the box, after we've taken it out, we're going to remove the box. This is very simple. It's easier to do with a partner, and we're just going to go ahead and grab the sides of this box. We're going to lift it up and pull it off. Make sure that you do clear the top part of the machine. You don't want to hit anything, and we just go ahead and remove it like that.
Well, the next step would be to open or actually check the box. In this case, we have to get off this strap again. We do it actually the same way as we did before. As I said, take the strap underneath and pull it to the side where the U is showing through, and then you can open it like this. So by the way, you see here, this is fixed with a tape. Be careful, inside this plastic bag we do have the manual book, the instruction, as well as the software for the control panel. So thank you, Andrea. Take now the scissors, open here this tape and just put it to the desk. Right. Now we can get off this box. Thank you, Andrea. And you will see the other parts from the stand. Here are two, as well as we have here the rest.
So when you do take out your boxes, you do need to make sure that you are getting everything that's included in your package. And you can see here, we're just going to take this box. The important part is that you do inventory everything that you've received, and if there's anything missing, you do need to make sure to notate it on your sales sheet, and contact your sales representative if you are missing anything. And you need to make sure to do that right away. This is one thing that is important about these boxes is that you do have the control panel or the T8 controller. Be very careful with this, as this does control your machine. This is the computer for your machine, so be very careful with this piece. It is bubble wrapped and it is quite heavy, so you can see that right here. We will see that later when we do put together the machine. So be careful with that piece especially.